Are you dreaming of Canadian permanent residency in 2026? Then stay with me because in this video, I will explain Canada Express entry step by step, using official government information so you clearly understand how to immigrate to Canada successfully. If you are serious about moving to Canada, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because you will get real value from this content. Canada Express entry is one of the fastest and most popular ways to get Canadian permanent residence as a skilled worker. It is an online immigration system used by Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, also known as IRCC, to manage applications for economic immigration programs. One major benefit of Express entry is speed. It allows Canada to select skilled workers who can contribute quickly to the economy, and applications are processed faster than many traditional immigration routes. Another benefit is transparency. Candidates are ranked using a clear point system, and invitations are issued based on ranking, not nationality. Express entry also allows flexibility because you can update your profile anytime if your situation improves. Comment below and tell me your country if you are planning to apply through Express entry. Now let's understand what Express entry really is. Express entry is not a visa by itself. It is a system that manages applications for 3 federal immigration programs. These programs are the Federal Skilled Worker Program, the Federal Skilled Trades Program, and the Canadian Experience Class. To enter the Express entry pool, you must qualify for at least one of these programs. Once you create your profile, you enter a pool of candidates and are ranked against others. IRCC conducts regular draws, and candidates with the highest scores receive an invitation to apply for permanent residence. When you receive an invitation to apply, you have 60 days to submit your full application with all required documents. If your application is approved, you and your eligible family members become Canadian permanent residents. All right, let's break down the 3 Express entry programs in simple terms. The Federal Skilled Worker Program is for people with at least 1 year of continuous paid skilled work experience within the last 10 years. You must meet language requirements, have your foreign education assessed, and score at least 67 points on the Federal Skilled Worker Selection Grid. Now, the Federal Skilled Trades Program is for people with experience in skilled trades. You'll need at least 2 years of work experience in a skilled trade within the last 5 years, and either a valid job offer in Canada or a certificate of qualification from a Canadian authority. Lastly, the Canadian Experience Class is for people who already have Canadian work experience. You must have at least 1 year of skilled work experience in Canada within the last 3 years, and meet language requirements based on your job type. There's no minimum education requirement for this program, but, education can increase your CRS score. One powerful way to boost your CRS score is through a provincial nominee program. If a province nominates you, you receive 600 additional CRS points, which almost guarantees an invitation to apply. Now let's talk about how to increase your CRS score. You can improve your language test results, gain more skilled work experience, obtain additional education, learn French, or secure a provincial nomination. Even small improvements can make a big difference, especially if your score is close to recent cutoff scores. Creating an Express entry profile requires you to provide personal information, work history, education details, language test results, and any job offers or nominations you may have. All information must be accurate because you will later need documents to prove everything you declare. You should also update your profile whenever your situation changes, such as getting new language results or more work experience. Common documents required for Express entry include language test results approved by IRCC, an educational credential assessment for foreign degrees, police certificates, proof of funds, unless you are exempt, a valid passport, and detailed work experience letters. After receiving an invitation, you will also pay government processing fees for yourself and any accompanying family members. Processing times vary, but Express entry is known for being faster than many other immigration pathways. Some common mistakes to avoid include providing incorrect information, missing deadlines, after receiving an invitation, failing to update your profile, or submitting incomplete documents. Staying organized and double-checking everything greatly improves your chances of success. If this video has been helpful so far, comment with your CRS score or the Express Entry program you think you qualify for. Canada Express Entry remains one of the best pathways to Canadian permanent residence for skilled workers. With the right strategy, accurate documents, and a strong profile, you can significantly improve your chances of immigrating to Canada in 2026 and beyond.